Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide video on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, people may choose to hide video on their gallery phone for privacy and security reasons. Some videos may contain sensitive or personal information that users prefer to keep private. So how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open your gallery. And then you can select the video you want to hide. Okay, after that, click the three dots at the bottom here. And then you can select Move to a secure folder. Okay, after that, click Continue. And then you can wait till creating process is finished. Okay, after finishing the process, and then you can set the lock type. Then activate it. And then click OK. And then you have all ready to move the video to the secure folder. Okay, and then to see it, you can exit. And then you can open app drawer on your device. Then find out the secure folder here. Well, not only video, you can also add other files to a secure folder. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide video on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.